Hello, this is Ni Amuda, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you about 10 websites that you can use to get design resources. All right, so without further ado, but before then, if you are new, you're welcome. Please kindly click the subscription button and hit the notification bell. So we are going to start immediately. So the first website that I'll be showing you is used to download free mockups. Yeah, premium mockups actually. You can get them from this website. And the name of that website is free Mockupbro. So that's the website. So basically, this website gives you access to unlimited mockups. You can get them from here. And I've gotten a lot of very clean mockups from this website. And it's very easy to download. Most of the mockups here comes in a zip format. So you'd have to use an app or a software to unzip it. Alright, so let's for instance search for a book cover. No, sorry. Okay, let's search for a book jacket mockup. You can see the results. So it gives you a lot. I mean, a lot of resources you can get here. Alright, so this one is something very nice. Okay, so you want to download it. All you have to do is to click on it. Click on the mockup that you want to download, and once you click on it, it will take you to this page where you see a little description about the mockup that you want to download. And then you just go down, move down, you will see free download. As soon as you click on it, it will process the download, and I think it starts downloading immediately. And then you have to zip it because it's going to come in a PST format. So this is, you can see now. Thank you. You'll be redirected, and after 1 second your download will start. You can see that the download will start because it's going to take you to another website where you can actually do the download. This is the website. So you click on download. As soon as I click on download now, it will start downloading. Alright, you can see it now. It's going to be zip, so you have to zip it to use it. So that is number one website. So you can get a lot of free resources from freemockupworld.com, especially mockups. You can get premium mockups here. You just search for the mockup that you want, and you see it come up immediately. So you can see the categories, all mockup, Apple devices. You want branding, you click on it, you see banners and logos and papers and all the stationaries, and then it will just take you there immediately. So that is number one. These are stationaries, ID card, letterhead, and the rest. So this is number one. The next is PNG Wing. The number two is PNG Wing. PNG Wing is pngwing.com. I use it to get PNGs. Okay, one of the websites I get PNGs from. So, and there's a pattern of downloading, right? So you can get just about anything. So let's say we wanted water splash. Alright, so just search for what you are looking for, and it's going to come up. So you see a lot of resources, a lot of results. So when you see the result, all these are without backgrounds. All these are without background. You don't have to remove the background, you don't have to trim the picture whatsoever. They all come without background. So just search for what you want, and it will come without background. So let's say Facebook, just say Facebook icon. The Facebook icons are going to come up. You see a lot of them for you to choose. They are without background already. Okay, so you see the transparent and all that. So when you want to download something, all you have to do is to, let me search for something here. Easter Cross. So this website, all the resources comes in HD. Okay, high quality. So let's say I want to download this. Just click on it, and then after you have clicked on it, it will take you to another page. You can see that it's in HD. Then to take you to another page, then what you do here is you go to download. Just go down, you see download this PNG. Click on it. They're going to give you a text. It was not like this before, but now they'll give you a text kind of. I think you see it's loading, so it will not download. It's going to be loading like this. So you have to click alphabet in order to download. So click here, and then you look at the alphabets that are here. All right. I think I'm not seeing it the way I'm supposed to see it, because my phone is on what's it called. The reason I'm not seeing it the way I'm supposed to see it, because my phone is on landscape, so that's why I'm not seeing it. But it's going to give you some alphabets. So what you do is that you click on those alphabets accordingly, and it's going to download. As that. The next is PNG folio. So PNG folio. Oh, I think there's a mistake there. PNG folio. Okay, there's a mistake here. Okay, PNG folio is another website to download resources, PNGs, high quality PNGs. So all you have to do, as I said, go to the search bar and search for what you want. Okay, so search for what you want, and you would get a lot of sorry, I think there's no search result for that. You will get a lot of PNGs to download from, a lot of samples and a lot of things. Okay, so nature. So to download is as easy as possible. So I want to download the tree. So once you click on it, I think it's almost the same process. It's loading. So wait for it to load, and then you would see different options. So PNG, email, and all that. So you see different options. Well, so let me show you something now. Alright, so so you just click on download, and then you are good to go. That's all for PNG folio. So the next on the list is Freepik. Freepik is one of the craziest websites. Freepik.com. Some of the craziest websites for design resources. It has a lot of resources. You'll find free vectors, stock images, and mockups, PSD. Okay, that's what you find here, and they are all premium. So some persons don't know how to download from Freepik. Now, to download from Freepik, you have to look. There are some that are not free. So those ones that you see this, those when you see this icon, this what's it called? This crown icon, this crown, it means that it's not free, so you have to pay for it. But there are some that are actually free. Anyone that you don't see a crown icon, it means that it's free, so you can download it. So to download it, you just click on it, and then you click on download. All right, click on download, and then the next thing you're going to see is let me show you this. you will see free download. Click on free download, and then it's downloading already. So that's just as easy as possible. So that's how to download from Freepik. Okay, if you want to download PSD files, all you do is very simple. Just go to the search, go to the search bar right there, and then let's say we want to download a book mockup. So just search for what you want to download. If it's available, you're going to see them. So you can see them here. So is it photo? Is it photo? Is it PSD? So whichever one. If it's PSD, click on PSD and then allow it to load. So it's going to be giving you PSD samples. So you see them. So these are the books. They're going to come up. So once they come up, you just click on them and then you are good to go to download them. So let me get this guy out. It's disturbing me. They want me to sign up by all means. So this is how you download. So anything you want to download, all you have to do is to click on what you want to download and click on the green download icon. Then you go down, just move down a little, you see free download. Click on free download. It will begin to download immediately. The next on our list, so that we don't take so much time in this video, the next is Stickpng. Stickpng.com. Stickpng.com is another website where you can get a lot of resources for your design. Okay, so as usual, you search for whatever you want, and then you see a download icon that allows you to do the download. So it's quite easy to use. You can see the PNGs, whatever you need, they are here, especially icons. There are a lot of icons here. Okay, so the next is PNG tree. Alright, PNG3.com is another beautiful website. That you can get a lot of resources from. So I don't want to grab now. Please, people should leave me alone. Is it by force? So this is it. Alright, so these guys, they want you to pay for their stuff. So sometimes they may limit your download so that you can pay, but you can always manipulate, especially when you sign in with your email. You can see now I'm signed in. So when you sign in with your email address, you'll be able to access some of their free resources. Okay, so the next is Yandex. I use Yandex a lot. Yandex.com. So Yandex.com has it's just like Google. It has other versions. So you can get emails, you can get maps, you can get video and all that. But if you want to get images, just go over to images and you see a lot of stock images to download. So just search for what you want. Let's say we want a beautiful African lady. So most of the time it searches a lot of images from all over the internet. So you have to be careful that you know exactly what you are downloading. Try to know the source from whence the image is coming from. You can see the image is giving us. Okay, so try to know the source where the image is coming. Like here, this one is coming from Medium. Okay, so and also try to don't download images that has a watermark on it. Right, so like this one now, you can see there's a lot of watermark here. Alright, so don't download images that have watermark. But in case you download images that have watermark, there's a video on my YouTube channel. I will leave the link attached to this video where you can remove watermark. But I advise that you don't even download images that have watermark. Download the images that come without watermark, so you can get them. You can see that the quality is quite okay. So this is, once you want to download, it's very easy. Click on the image and then hold it, and then you see the download option. It's very easy. All right, the next is Mockup. The next is Vox. Okay, so this visuals. visuals.com. Okay, it's another website where you get free design resources, so you can check it out and you would see a lot. So as usual, what you do is always search, go to the search bar, whatever you're looking for, go to the search bars and search for it. You will get a lot of samples and something that you'll be able to get from there. All right, so for mockups, there is this website that you can also explore, especially if you use a smartphone. You can go to Mockupbro, mockupbro.com. You can see it on my screen, and then search for it. It gives you access to a lot of mockups that you can place your design on. All right, so you can see book mockup. All these are free. All these are free. All of them, they are free. They're all free. So it's quite easy to use. So just you can search it out. So this is Mockupbro. All right, so this is it. You can pick any design, any mockup you want. So let's say you want to do work on this one. Click on it, and then just like the other mockup website, this one you do it online, so you don't have to edit it. It's not a PSD, it's online. So you just go over to it, then upload your design, and then you, let's say let's use this one. Upload your design, and then you crop it. Okay, so you crop it. Alright, so once you've cropped it, you click crop and continue, and then you see the way it is on the motor. Okay, you see the way it is on the vehicle, and say you adjust it. And also you can change some stuff here. You can change the color of the car, the vehicle. Okay, sorry, the color of the background, you can change it. So I want it to be this green. Let's do that. Okay, let's say that one, and then you see the effect right here. So that is that. And when you want to download, just click on download, and that's you're good to go. So this is certain websites that you can get resources from. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if there are others that you know that will benefit me or any other person watching this video, please drop it in the description, in the comment of this video, and I really appreciate. I'll like it and I'll tell you thank you. All right, thank you, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. That's how you like this video too, and I'll see you.